The hospital tried to give my baby formula. Don't let this happen to you, moms. This post is perfect for new moms and breastfeeding communities. They tried to give my baby formula without even asking me. I was exhausted after delivery, barely awake. A nurse walked in holding a bottle. She said, "We'll just top up with formula so the baby doesn't cry." But I knew once that bottle touched his mouth, breastfeeding could be over. One bottle can change everything. So I took a breath and said, "Please call the lactation consultant. I do not consent to formula unless it's medically necessary. Call lactation, no formula without consent." They actually stopped. 10 minutes later, lactation came in. We fixed the latch, and my baby breastfed perfectly. New moms, you have rights. Hospitals can't give your baby formula without your consent unless medically necessary. Know what to say before you deliver. Know your rights. Save this video. Save this for your hospital bag checklist, or send it to a pregnant friend right now. It could save her breastfeeding journey. Save, share, and comment, yes, if this happened to you.